What's up, everybody? On today's video, we're doing a product review on a special brand, and it's from my friend Angie. It's her brand. It's called KICHIPAN. Alright, so the homie at KICHIPAN hooked us up, which is Angie. She gave us a free shirt, as well as a keychain, and of course, a sticker, which I love. I love stickers and keychains. So let's get into it. KICHIPAN. KICHIPAN is a pandemic brand that came out of the pandemic. Kind of, it's a special project that my friend Angie made. Yeah, she told me there's no special reason with the name or special whatever with the name. But yeah, it's called KICHIPAN. She was originally supposed to do like pins and keychains like these and little cool stuff, kawaii shit. You know, I love this kind of shit. You know, I'm like a Japan addict and all that shit. So I love this shit. So yeah, this is like the phone strap keychain kind of deal. And I'll tell you, this shit's pretty badass. So yeah, she sold stickers and pins and so forth, and of course keychains. And then yeah, I guess it also, yeah, she had tote bags, and I guess it eventually became more than that, she told me, and it became an apparel brand. So yeah, we got this cool unboxing t-shirt kind of deal going on. I'm gonna show you how this t-shirt looks, and yeah, I'll give you some specs on it. Let's go. Alright, so we're doing this kind of special unboxing, kind of product review going on for KICHIPAN. So this is pretty much the ones that started it all, with keychains and pins and stickers. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. This is quality, man. You got that cool acrylic going on, and look at that. It's cool. You got the cool strap thing going on, and KICHIPAN. Yeah, I guess their logo is like a milky fox kind of deal. I don't know if you can see it, but it has those glittery things. This is so cool of a keychain. Thank you, Angie. Thank you, KICHIPAN. So yeah, go get yourself some of this. Of course, they did come with this cool sticker. Boom! All kawaii and shit with the fox and I think a rabbit. You know, I don't understand Japanese, but that shit, pretty much, yeah, cool sticker. I'm gonna put this on my board or, you know, some other shit. Alright, so we got this apparel. I mean, let's check this out. KICHIPAN. Put that to the side there. Oh, boom! Oh shit! Look at that. KICHIPAN front. Oh shit, there's in the back. Oh, solid. Look, we got the back print. And these are the kind of shirts I do love. I love front prints. Look at that front left chest print right there. And then we got the full-on back print right there. Good shit. I love shirts like these, man. Well, let's see. What's this? Look at the tag. Oh, I'm a large because I'm fat now. But oh shit. That's even better. Look at that shit right there. USA. I don't know if you can read that, but it says USA strong. Good shit. 100% cotton. This is like a little thin headered out t-shirt. Collar's a little thin. I like that. I don't like fat collars choking my ass. Look at the arms. Oh, we got the thinness too. This is pretty good shit. This is like a zero t-shirt to me that they're going through. 100% cotton. Love that shit. Look at the back. Oh man. Let me go try this motherfucking bad boy on right now. Alright, so we tried it on, put it on. The shirt is breathable. It's feeling good. We got a, what's that called? Right length on the arms, because I don't like it where it's too long. And I like it a little, you know, so I can cuff it. And so show my tattoos off. But yeah, I like this fucking chest print. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the left chest print right there. It says KICHIPAN. All kawaii and shit for you. And then we got the back. Boom! The back looking good as shit. We got the three homies chilling out. It's KICHIPAN. It's kawaii as fuck. What more could you ask for? Yeah, it's a quick product review. I hope you liked it. I'll leave a description. I'll leave a link on the description below. So check it out. Try to get you a pair. Get you a fucking shirt. Get you a fucking cool keychain like me, or get you some stickers. Tell them Mark sent you. Check it out. Citic corner. Look for Angie. Try to get you some KICHIPAN. This brand's the shit. Look at that. That clothing, that material, feeling all fresh and shit. Woo! This shit's good for skaters too, man. It's like breathable and shit. So yeah, let's get some tricks in before I leave. But yeah, KICHIPAN! KICHIPAN! Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And also, yeah, leave some love for my homie KICHIPAN and Angie. And yeah, check it out. Peace out. I'm Mark. More projects coming soon. You might see this shit in and more future videos and so forth. So check it out. Peace. I'm out.
ありがとう